So here we have the package with buffer around, here buffer, over there buffer, also buffer, and here. And we need a new height, so from 1200, and I let it drop it right now. So, and we will have a look if it's okay or if it's not okay. So this corner, look at the edge, totally okay. Perfect, thank you. So here we have a package. There is buffer only on this side and only on this side. This edge is without any buffers. So, and we let it drop from the same height. So I let it drop it right now. That is the damage of the package, and we will see. So the package, the part is totally okay. Perfect, thank you.